In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mirror flip your camera on Google Meet. When you join a Google Meet, you might notice that your video preview sometimes looks a bit off, like text on your shirt appearing backwards or your movements feeling reversed. That's because Google Meet often shows you a mirrored preview of yourself, similar to looking into a mirror. The good news is, there are ways to control how your camera appears, both to you and to the people you're meeting with. First, start by opening Google Meet in your browser and either join an existing meeting or start a new one. Once you're in the meeting, look for your own video tile, usually found at the bottom or in the corner of the screen. Hover your mouse over your video. You should see a small three-dot menu icon or a settings gear near your tile or along the toolbar at the bottom of the screen. Click on the Settings option. This will open a panel where you can adjust audio and video preferences. Navigate to the Video section. Here you'll see the camera you're currently using, as well as some additional options depending on your device and browser. Now, this is important. Google Meet itself does not always provide a direct mirror or flip toggle that changes how others see you. Typically, it only mirrors your own self-view so that your movements feel natural, like looking in a mirror, while other participants see you the correct way around. If you're seeing yourself mirrored, but text looks correct to everyone else, that's actually normal behavior. However, if your camera is genuinely flipped for everyone, or you need more control, you'll want to adjust this at the camera or software level, not just inside Google Meet. Many external webcams come with their own software where you can find options like mirror, flip horizontal, or image rotation. Open that camera utility on your computer, locate those options, and disable any horizontal flip if you want your image to appear unmirrored, or enable it if you want a mirrored look. If you're using virtual camera software, such as a webcam enhancement or streaming tool, open that application and look for similar flip or mirror controls. Make your adjustments there, then return to Google Meet and confirm that the preview looks the way you want. Finally, double-check with someone in the meeting if you're unsure. Ask them whether text or your background appears reversed on their end. Once everything looks right, you're all set, and you can use the same process anytime you switch cameras or devices.